How to get verified on Bumble app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get verified on Bumble app. To get started, let's open Bumble app. This is your home page. Here you can see many icons. Let's go to your profile icon. This will navigate you to the profile page. Now below the profile picture you can see complete my profile. Tap on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you can see verify my profile. Tap on it. For now my profile is not verified, so you can see not verified. To get verified, now copy this pose and take a photo by clicking on take my photo. So to verify successfully, your face must be clearly visible. You must be copying this pose exactly. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.